Hi, my name is Martin, and now we're going to talk about how to add a lesson in a classroom. It's very, very easy. It's very simple, so let's just start and let's go to it. Okay, so we're back into our GHM Academy here at the main page, basically the book store. We can go around and take a look at the different lessons we want to add to our class if we want to know what lessons would be interesting. So basically I can maybe take the first explorers to North America as something that I want to showcase to them. And this is the video. There's a video with here. There's some interesting images, text, and I'd love to share this with them. And also maybe I'd like to check out the quiz. The quiz seems very interesting. So I want them to be able to do this in, let's say, the next day. So I say, okay, that's the quiz. That's the one I want. So I'll go back to the home. I remember it's called First Explorers to America. So I basically go to my menu, my classroom, and I'm going to pick my classroom Martin 2 because that's the one I want to share it with. And I come here and I basically X that out and I go to Explorers. And there you go, Explorers to North America, or North America. I could take that one and then save it. Now I've actually put that in my classroom too. Now I want to verify if that's the right one that I have, so I can go back to my GHM menu and then I select the classroom, which is Martin 2. And then from here, I see it's this one. Was that the one I wanted? Actually, it wasn't. So now I want to go back and I say, I want to change that. Go back to my classroom, I go to Martin 2, and then I can write Explorers. And this is the next one. So I don't want this one and I save it. And I go back to my academy and then basically reload my classroom to make sure that it's the proper one I want. And that's the one I wanted. So there you go. So I was able to get the one that I needed. And that is how you add a lesson to a classroom. Now let's verify if the student in that classroom received it. So let's go and take a look at who is my student. I do have a student. He is my user. He's in my classroom again. And my user, I've got 2 users. So let's go and find out if our user Martin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Plant has received it. So let's log out. So let's do Martin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will log in and then verify if he has it. And that's exactly the lesson. And that's the lesson he's going to go through. And as he does the quiz and answers through the quiz, I will get the answers into the classroom that he answered. All the answers. So there you go. It's all done. It's entered. He submits it. And here you go. Got 4 out of 6. And then done. So we're going to log back in as the administrator of that classroom. And then let's go and take a look in the classroom itself. And let's take a look at the quizzes. And there it is. That's the quiz that he completed. And I can write a comment. Some quizzes have text, so those ones you can actually make comments on the text, or you could basically give them a different grade because they have a different grade level. So that is very possible. There's a variety of different ones, but this is a free version. So the free version, I only have access to all the free material, which is quite a bit in a certain way, but it's kind of neat to be able to have access to at least the results of the students and see what they've done and what they've accomplished. So this is how you basically add a lesson and you track the lesson where your student is completing quizzes. So hopefully you enjoy that, and we'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.